We are talking about the European industrial strategy and its implementation through the transition pathway for the chemical industry. The European industrial strategy is a key enabler as to reach the ambitions of the European Green Deal. It aims at maintaining an industry resource efficient, modern, resilient and competitive. To reach these ambitions, we need a modern, resource efficient, resilient, sustainable and competitive industry in Europe and worldwide. In 2020, the European Commission revised its industrial strategy, taking into account the COVID pandemic, the need for a strategic autonomy for Europe, as well as taking into account the recent geopolitical considerations. In order to implement this renewed European industrial strategy, the European Commission has put in place a platform of discussion and exchanges with member states and interested stakeholders in order to collect the actions and conditions to reach this green and digital transition. As part of this exercise for this renewed European industrial strategy, the European Commission recently launched a call for transition initiatives in order to collect the different initiatives taken in the sector to feed a bottom-up approach to reach these goals of a competitive, modern and resource-efficient industry. IFRA has been closely involved on this work on the transition pathway for the chemical industry and has been responding to the call for transition initiatives, sharing the sectoral initiatives and best practices on safety and on sustainability. As part of these responses, IFRA shared information about the IFRA Code of Practice, the IFRA standards based on the safety assessment of the Research Institute for Fragrance Materials to show how do we advance and progress on the safe use of fragrances. Information was also shared on the project for the evaluation of the allergen, the IDEA project, aiming at avoiding induction of skin sensitization. On sustainability, IFRA shared its initiatives to advance on these ambitions, for instance, sharing the IFRA IOFI Sustainability Charter, helping companies providing the tools for advancing on sustainability, as well as the Green Chemistry Compass, and more recently, the IFRA's work on safe and sustainable by design. 2024 is a year of elections in Europe with a new European Parliament, a new European Commission to be nominated in November, and then a new work programme 2024-2029. We hope that this work on the renewed EU industrial strategy and the transition pathway for the chemical industry will be revitalized and amplified as part of the upcoming European Union mandate 2024-2029.